Hello, I'm Rupa Kalshetti and I'm back with the examples of operator precedence. In this video, I'm going to solve 3 examples of this concept for your better understanding. So let's start. Let's solve the first example. This example has all the operations in it: addition, division, subtraction and multiplication. So which operation you will do first here? Yes, division, which comes first in the DMAS rule. So let's solve this example step by step. In the first step, we'll solve this part, that is 8 divided by 4, and the division of 8 and 4 is, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 16 plus answer of this, that is 2, minus 2 as it is, into 3. And what comes next now? Yes, that is multiplication. So this part, we will solve this here and this part's answer will be in the next step. 16 plus 2 as it is we are writing, this minus as it is, and 2 multiplied by 3, the answer is 6. Now what is the next step of operation? Yes, that is addition. 16 plus 2 is 18 minus 6 as it is, and the final operation is subtraction, and 18 minus 6 is 12. So 12 is your final answer for this. Let's solve the second example. This expression has subtraction, division and multiplication in it, and the first operation we are performing is, yes, division. So we'll solve this part first in the first step. 21 as it is, minus 12 divided by 3 is 4, into 2 as it is. Okay, so this is here. And the next operation is multiplication. 4 into 2. So 21 minus as it is, 4 into 2 is 8. And 21 minus 8 is 13. Subtraction is your final operation in this expression, and 13 is your final answer for this expression. Let's solve the third example. You can see that this example also has all the operations in it. So we'll start with this part because division comes first. 24 minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus the quotient of this is 2. Okay, so here it comes. Remaining this part as it is. So next comes multiplication, which is this part. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. We will write it in the next step. 24 minus 12 here plus 2. And the next part is addition. Which part of this you will add? We will not add this part because this is subtraction and this is addition. We will add only those numbers which has positive signs in front of them. So 24 has positive, 2 also has positive. We will be adding 24 and 2. So 24 plus 2 minus 12. Yeah, this step I wrote for your understanding. And 24 plus 2 is 26 minus 12. So we did the addition in this step, and this step I wrote only for your understanding. Alright, so and the next step is subtraction, which is your final step. 26 minus 12 is 14. And 14 is the final answer of your expression. And also, please note that I have provided the practice worksheet along with the answer sheet in the description box. There is a link there. You can click on that and you can use those worksheets for practice. I hope you have understood this concept very clearly. Thank you for watching.